Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get CapCut Pro set up on your PC so you can unlock advanced video editing features and start creating professional-looking content from the comfort of your desktop. Whether you want to edit short social videos, YouTube projects, or just add some polish to your personal footage, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have CapCut Pro running and ready to go. Let's dive straight in. First things first, let's look at the simplest way to download CapCut Pro, using the Microsoft Store. If you're on Windows, you can find CapCut right there, ready for a fast, safe installation. Just open up your computer's Microsoft Store. You'll usually find it on your taskbar or by searching Microsoft Store in the Start menu. Once it's open, type CapCut in the search bar and hit Enter. You should see CapCut pop up in the results. Click on it and then press the download button. At this point, the store will take care of the rest. One click, and it starts downloading automatically. Now, depending on your internet speed, this part might take a few moments, so if it seems slow, don't worry. That's totally normal. Once the download is finished, CapCut will typically launch on its own, or you can find it among your applications and open it manually. It's as simple as that. I always recommend the store method because it checks for compatibility and handles updates safely. Just like buying groceries from a trusted shop instead of a random pop-up stand. But what if you can't access the Microsoft Store, or you simply prefer to download CapCut from the web? That's just as easy. Open your favorite browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whichever you like, and search CapCut Download. The official CapCut site should be one of the top results, often marked with CapCut.com. Remember, it's important to download from the official website to make sure you get the genuine installer, avoid security risks, and ensure everything works smoothly. Once you're on the official download page, you'll see a clearly marked download button. Just click it. Depending on your browser, you'll probably see the installer appear at the bottom of the screen or in your Downloads folder. Wait for it to finish downloading. It might take a few seconds or minutes depending on your connection speed. Then double-click the installer file. Follow the prompts to install CapCut on your PC. On most systems, you'll just need to click Next a couple of times, and the program will set itself up. Now, once the installation is complete, launch CapCut. Here's an important step. You'll want to sign in, which unlocks CapCut Pro's advanced editing features. Signing in usually means entering your email and password, or using a connected social account like Google or Facebook. If you don't have an account, you can create one quickly within the app. Signing in is valuable because it synchronizes your editing projects and settings, and ensures you're accessing all the pro features you're here for. That's really the whole process. Pretty straightforward, right? No matter which method you choose, you'll be ready to start editing videos with powerful CapCut Pro tools in minutes. If you ever get stuck, just remember to double-check your internet connection or restart the installer. Most hiccups resolve themselves with a simple refresh. I hope this helped you get CapCut Pro up and running on your PC. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy editing.